Morning guys.
Morning.
Today you're going to see the parades at Disney.
Well, not all the parades.
No, the parades actually, sorry.
We did.
Certain parades.
So they've got like the Time to Shine one, which is the 30th anniversary surprise parade.
I know, which is one float basically.
It's one float that comes round about 6 times a day.
The music's cool, but
it's really cool, and it has some characters that you don't usually see.
Aye.
That's what you'll see to start with, very short. So in case you're wondering why there's one float, there is only one float.
Aye, that's what it is.
And the catchiest tune you'll ever hear in your life.
That's pretty cool.
And then after that, it's the Halloween parade.
Yes.
Which we loved.
Pretty cool. Aye,
we absolutely loved. But we never actually seen the main parade.
Give you a wee, what do you call that? Like a wee tip, right? So we'll give you a tip. Don't go around, well you can, I suppose you could do this. You could go to Main Street, or you could go to, I was going to call it the roundabout, but the square, right? You could go there, no bother. But see if you go behind all that and to where It's a Small World is, you uninterrupted view. People don't even know about that area. I didn't even know about it because I thought surely the parade's not coming in here. Natalie had to go and ask one of the cast members to prove me wrong, as per usual. Bye, you should go round and just stand there. Don't get me wrong, you do stand for a wee bit because the parade comes from Main Street and all the way down, but
they also do like a little stage show in front of the castle. So you will miss that out, but if you want to just see the dances and the parades and have a wee wave with them, just a wee bit of peace and chill with it.
I mean, I suppose what you could do, you could go to the square first, see the wee show, and then quickly nip down to there because nobody's there, you know what I mean? And that means you get to see the wee show, but we just stood down there. We also took advantage, I don't think we say this in any of the other vlogs, but we also took advantage of the photo pass. There was a lot of photo pass people out, just random pictures you could get, which were actually pretty cool, weren't they? Like in front of the castle and stuff like that. And aye, that was cool.
I'll put the main parade link below because we have seen it a few times and we've vlogged it a few times, so it hasn't changed. So we didn't really, we were very crunched for time.
Aye, we decided because it was busy,
so
very busy.
I'll link that below if you do want to see it.
No bother. We hope you enjoy it. Let us know what your favourite character is, and we hope you enjoy the vlog. Bye bye.
C'est fun, c'est beau, c'est tout moi. Hola, qué bueno que pudiste venir.
We've just got the Halloween parade coming down here.
Donald looks so happy.
And I'm going to give you a wee tip. Go down towards It's a Small World because there's hardly anybody down here. Because at Main Street and all that is so busy.
everybody! Happy Halloween!
Are you ready to have 2 months fun? Yes, yes!
Clap your hands and stomp your feet!
This all sounds very much like Halloween to me.
Can you feel the autumn breeze now? It's time to come on out and play. We're kicking leaves and climbing trees now. And right how you top the hay. The falling wind starts whistling. The starting a party comes.
Everyone, have some fun! We love me! This is gonna be the bestest Halloween ever!
It's the very best time.
Away, away! Keep the rhythm strong and steady!
Away, away! Clap your hands and stomp your feet.
Away, away!
It's time to get your house away.
Away, away!
This is Saturday. It's your party, the calling. It's time to listen. The starting a party comes. Shine on us all. Let's celebrate the harvest. Can you feel the autumn breeze now? It's time to come on out and play.